Okay, which is a normal day shooting a wedding, but wait for it. And yeah, I dropped my LCD, and yeah, heartbroken. Yeah, damn. Hey there everyone, my small HD focus just fell off the camera when I was shooting a wedding. I was so terrified. Good thing that it didn't do a lot of damage. One of the things is that this part of the camera, this bracket here, sometimes does not gets loose. Like when you try to like put it in the camera, this goes loose. I don't know. It may be that it lacked friction because this is made of metal. I'm not sure. With plastics, they tighten up well, but I'm gonna modify this one now. That way it's not gonna happen again. Yeah, my small HD fell, and I'm gonna post. Yeah, it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna post a photo right now. I don't know if I can. I'm just gonna look for the photo that I did with my phone. But yeah, this part here opened. Good thing that I look around the small HD. There was no damage. What happened was it fell to this side, and it hit this part here. As you can see, the bit of discoloration, and I even lost a screw that's here. But anyway, yeah, also this knob was here for tightening the small HD, and yeah, it took a part of it. This is epoxy. I'm trying to modify it now. Oh, is it dry? Yeah, it should be dry now. So first things first, I'm glad it's not broken, but yeah, I'm gonna modify this one first. I'm gonna try to make sure that this doesn't fall. So what you usually do is get a Allen key, remove this part. I already untightened it, and you can remove this part. This is the one that tightens up. I just got an O-ring, a rubber O-ring. I'm gonna put it here. A nice fit. I didn't expect it to fit well, but I'm gonna put it here. And there you go. I'm gonna tighten this up. I'm gonna tighten this one out. So what's gonna happen is that, yeah, it's gonna tighten. There's a rubber spacer there, so when you open it, you have to use full force to open it, and then you can slide in the camera and put it up. So it's a bit stiff when it doesn't open right away because the rubber creates good friction. This one, I'm gonna modify this one out. No, I'm gonna fix this one because yeah, this part, the plastic part here was taken off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna, yeah, I put epoxy on it and I'm gonna sand it over. So I forgot where I placed my sandpaper, but yeah, I'll be sanding it off. Okay, I'm back with sandpaper now. So yeah, what you're going to do is you're just going to sand this off. I use the epoxy, the one you have to need. So yeah, it's just almost that quick. So what you're going to do is you're just going to sand this up, make it shiny as possible. It's going to be a lot of sanding on this one. I'm just going to do this. So I can sand this more. I can, yeah, do more sanding onto it. But the thing is, yeah, I think this is just fine now. I think this is just good enough. So you can see, there it is. So what you're going to do is you can use a spray paint. You can paint it with black. That should do the trick. Or you can put any paint like nail polish on it. That way it's gonna look black, and you don't get annoyed. Let me just try to look for my paint. Got this paint up here. It's for touch up for the car. I don't know if it's still good. So yeah, you can paint it up. looks good. No, I think it needs more sanding, but so I think it needs more sanding there, but yeah, that should do. So yep, we're good. Should be good. I'm just gonna spray paint on it later. So yeah, that's it. That's how you modify it. Let me see if that's creating that sound, but let me see. I can see the rubber part there. I'll see if I can fit it. Yeah, fits right. Oh, too much friction. So there you go. Fits right. Awesome. Anyway, that's it for now. Let's see how it goes.